VM40 is compatible with Comica Audio app. You can search for and download Comica Audio app from App Store. Once installed, click to add the device. Simultaneously press and hold CH1 and CH2 on the VM40's receiver to reset Bluetooth status. Then select it in App to connect. After entering App page, you can view working status of the transmitter and receiver and easily control many functions. Click the Settings menu in the upper right corner to enter the Settings page, where you can set device identification, mobile speaker monitoring, and even advanced settings. You can also control the setting of transmitter to set the recording depth, stop recording protection, memory formatting, etc. Comica Audio app is user-friendly and feature-rich, and it will support more Comica products in the future. We invite you to explore. Thank you for watching.